Hi friends, Tina Did It here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with this ghost. I'm sure we've seen this all over TikTok and I believe the original creator is Gina. I might be wrong, but I mean, correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. I've seen these ghosts all over TikTok and all over Facebook, and making this ghost wasn't easy. I mean, if you want to see how I made it, just keep on watching. First problem was that I couldn't find any paper towel holders at my Dollar Tree. So I decided to go in with a funnel instead, and I found this by like the car section or the auto items. And here we have, I decided to glue it on a wood plank. Let me mention that first. Now I'm going to go in with some fairy lights or string lights that I just have on hand because I do want my ghost to light up. Now we're going to go in with this ghost from Dollar Tree, and I am going to take it apart. We need the foam by itself and the cloth we're going to kind of put together later on. Now I'm just thinking out loud with you. The foam part itself in the ghost there, I'm gonna try to make a Christmas gnome with it after, but we'll see how that goes because I like how it has that arm there and I feel like I could turn it into a gnome. But anyway, we're going to take this, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it right through the funnel there. Now you can go ahead and tape it. I've seen people tape it onto the paper towel holder, but I mean foam and this can just hold it together. I will be adding some hot glue, so I'm just poking it through there, making a little mark, and then I'm going to go in with hot glue just to kind of keep it in place. Now before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that Christmas gnome that I'll be making later on. Now here I'm just going to go ahead and continue wrapping it with the fairy lights, and I will be wrapping it onto the face and the arm itself. I honestly want my entire ghost to glow, and that's why I'm going around the entire thing. But now it's time to adjust those arms. So just adjust them to your liking, because depending on the item that the ghost is going to be holding. So just go ahead and bend it. I mean, it's just wire. It's easy to bend and kind of maneuver to your liking. Now I'm going to add the cloth and the face. The mouth was kind of weird. I did switch it up, but I did have lashes on my ghost there, and this is how it looks. I just went ahead and added a spider on the top, a pumpkin on the hand, and it's holding a little cup there with pumpkins inside. I might switch it up to candy corns later on. I definitely love the way it turned out, but I want to hear from you, so be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs, and be sure to share with your friends. Thank y'all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see y'all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.